flood warning for the Potomac River at Edwards Ferry. From this morning until this evening. At 6 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 14.9 feet and rising. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast, rise above flood stage by this morning and crest near 15.2 feet by late this morning. The river will fall below flood stage by mid-afternoon today. Impact at 15.0 feet. Water reaches the boat ramp and lower parking area at Edwards Ferry and begins to inundate areas near White